Hey, what's up, guys? So I just saw something on Instagram about a guy who dropped his watch from a tabletop to the ground. I assume it landed on concrete, and the entire crystal shattered. And as you guys might or might not know about our watch, our crystal is actually shock isolated, so it's not rigidly mounted in the case. And there are really two reasons for that. One is so that the crystal is thermodynamically active, so if you fluid fill the case volume can expand and contract as the fluid volume expands and contracts, so it doesn't fracture the crystal. But the other reason is so that in a non-fluid filled case like this one, which happens to be mine, number 000, it's an HAQ all titanium OmniDiver, it acts as a shock isolation. So when the outer case is impacted, that shock doesn't travel directly into the crystal. It actually is mitigated with that shock isolation. So I thought, well, I wonder what would happen if we just dropped ours on the floor. So I figured, okay, let's do it. Yep, looks fine. I guess that's why you buy an OmniDiver.